Good afternoon, all of you. Can you hear me?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me the last thing I've done in class.
You are going to do the
I'm trying.
iodination with the catalyst.
Okay, I have to tell you about the catalyst, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, iodination of alkane, did I tell you it is a reversible process?
No.
It's a reversible process. The reason being, HI is a good reducing agent. So if this is a reducing agent, what this will do? It will reduce the methyl iodide back to methane. Got it what I said?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you're starting with iodination, right?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
I gave you the order for reactivity of halogens.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, fluorine is the most reactive, then chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Fluorination is carried out in dark, I told you.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. You told us.
This is in diffuse sunlight. Bromination, direct sunlight. And iodination, you use
Heat
direct
sun-
sunlight.
Heat, sunlight, and catalyst.
Yes. Heat and catalyst. So iodination of alkanes is a reversible process. The reason being HI is a good reducing agent. Now, how is the reaction driven to the right? By removing HI. Can I say if I remove HI, the reaction will go to the right side?
Yes, ma'am.
According to Lee-Chatelius principle, you know, if you decrease the
ma'am.
concentration of the product, the reaction will try to increase the concentration of the product, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So HI is removed by adding HiO3. HiO3 is known as iodic acid. It forms water and iodine. Even you can add HgO. This also converts HI into water and iodine. And along with that, you get mercury. Instead, you can also add HNO3.
Ma'am, what is the name of HGO?
Mercuric oxide. This also converts HI to water, iodine, and NO2. So all these, whether it is HiO3, HgO, or HNO3, they convert HI into water and iodine. So if HI is being removed, can I say the equilibrium will start moving towards the right hand side?
Yes, ma'am.
More and more of alkyl iodide will be formed.
Miss, under what topic we have to write this?
This was iodination of alkanes, no? I couldn't complete it last class, no?
Okay, miss.
H2SO4 के साथ क्यों नहीं देता?
कौन सा?
Conc HNO3 के जगह Conc H2SO4 नहीं होता?
H2SO4 is a oxidizing agent, but not as strong as HNO3. So it cannot displace out halogens.
Okay, ma'am.
It will displace fluorine and chlorine, but not bromine and iodine. See here, can I say HNO3 is displacing out iodine? You get I2, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So H2SO4 can displace fluorine and chlorine, but not bromine and iodine.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Will you finish writing this?
No, ma'am. Wait.
Why can't it displace iodine and bromine?
It will depend on the activity series now of the non-metals also.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Fine. All displacement reactions are based on activity series. So the activity series decides whether a particular element will be displaced by another or not. Okay. Okay, can I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So halogenation of alkanes is done. Now I'll proceed to. I gave you the order for chlorination, bromination, the selectivity factors.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'll proceed to the second reaction of alkanes, which is nitration of alkanes.
Ma'am, before this it was halogenation, right?
Yes. First one was halogenation. Now you have nitration. Halogenation, we were introducing halogen. Nitration, we will introduce what? Nitro group. What is nitro group? Alkanes when treated with HNO3. But here you have to take vapors of HNO3. You cannot take concentrated or dilute HNO3. I'll tell you the reason why. Reaction is carried out above 500 Kelvin. You get the formation of nitroalkane. So let us see how it happens. As I said, you cannot use dilute HNO3, neither you can use concentrated HNO3. What does dilute HNO3 give you? HNO3 will dissociate in water to give you what?
NO2.
नहीं, dilute HNO3 water में क्या देगा?
Hydrogen.
HNO3 बनाएगा मैम.
H plus और NO3 minus बनेगा ना?
Yes, means.
Yes, ma'am.
It will form H plus and NO3 minus. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
H plus is an electrophile and NO3 minus is a nucleophile. Will they attack alkane?
No, ma'am.
No. So can I say they will not react alkane means no reaction with alkane?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I
Yes, ma'am.
cannot use dilute HNO3. What about concentrated HNO3? Concentrated HNO3 gives you what?
HNO2.
Concentrated HNO3 undergoes autoprotolysis. Do you remember me doing autoprotolysis?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Reaction mechanism.
Yes, this gives you
NO3
H3O plus, NO2
Plus
plus,
NO2 ma.
and NO3 minus. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I say these are electrophiles and this is a nucleophile?
Yes, ma'am.
Will any of these get attracted to alkane?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So can I say no reaction?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here you have to use vapors of nitric acid. In the vapor state, that means the gaseous state, ions cannot be formed. And what is the reason for that? How do you define the gaseous state of matter?
Weak electrostatic forces of attraction.
Weak intermolecular forces of attraction. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
If
Yes,
ions are
ma'am.
formed in the gaseous state, can I say there would be large attractions between these oppositely charged ions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
So
ma'am.
won't they try to come close?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so ions नहीं बनते हैं vapor state में. Instead, when you are heating this into the vapor state, the bond is going to break homolytic here. Free radical will be formed. Which bond do you expect here to break homolytic?
Oxygen, nitrogen.
Very good. Can I say OH bond will not break homolytic here? Due to large difference of electronegativity. So this bond breaks.
Hmm.
One electron is taken by nitrogen and one electron here is taken by oxygen. So you get the NO2 free radical and OH free radical. Then what happens? The OH free radical is more reactive than NO2 because oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen. This again breaks the bond homolytic. The OH free radical takes out the H free radical forming H2O. Along with that, you get the R free radical.
RNO2.
Yes, this R free radical combines with what?
NO2 free radical.
NO2 free radical.
NO2.
Giving you the nitroalkane. So what is the use of bringing about this reaction in the vapor state?
Free
No
radical.
formation of
Yes,
ions.
the generation of a free radical here is important because alkanes would react only with free radicals. It won't react with an electrophile, neither a nucleophile. You finished writing this?
Done.
Did you all cover it or did you complete it?
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if I take, say, propane and bring about nitration. What product we'll get? How many different
Nitropropane.
products?
1 nitropropane, 2 nitropropane.
But along with this, you can also get nitroethane and nitromethane. ये कैसे बने?
मैम वो फ्री रेडिकल्स आपस में कंबाइन
Termination.
नहीं. Can I say the temperature is very high here?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
High temperature है, तो can I say it is not necessary that only CH bonds break? Even CC bonds can break.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो जब CC bond break होगा, can I say I'll get a ethyl free radical and methyl free radical?
Yes, ma'am.
So those also can combine with NO2 free radicals to give you the nitroalkanes. Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is due to the high temperature of the reaction, fragmentation can occur. Fragmentation मतलब क्या?
Breaking.
Breaking of the CC bonds can also occur here.
आपने वो कंपाउंड में एक सी कम लिखा है
इधर ना, सॉरी, हाँ ऐसे लिख लूं? नहीं, मैंने गलत लिखा है वो, एक मिनट, मुझे 2
मैम वो
नाइट्रो,
सेकंड पे आना चाहिए
हाँ सेकंड.
मैम इनमें
Can you
मेजर
give the
कौन सा होगा?
statement?
कौन सा होगा?
मेजर कौन सा होगा मैम? फर्स्ट
नहीं
वाला.
उसमें यू डोंट हैव टू प्रेडिक्ट मेजर. फ्री रेडिकल्स में ऐसे मेजर प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं आते, सारे परसेंटेज ऑलमोस्ट आसपास ही होते हैं क्योंकि इट डिपेंड ऑन द टेम्परेचर के हिसाब से बॉन्ड्स ब्रेक होते हैं ना इसमें. सीसी बॉन्ड्स भी ब्रेक हो जाते हैं इसमें.
Ma'am, can you tell what you told before that?
Ma'am,
क्या?
can you repeat like
Yep.
Rakido कैसे आए थे?
I said free radical mechanism में you can't predict the major products here.
No, not that, ma'am. about the extra products.
Yes, ma'am.
ये fragmentation वाले.
हाँ, yes, ma'am.
Can I say the temperature is large here, high temperature?
Yes.
So it is not necessary that only CH bonds break, na? Even CC bonds can break. तो कहने से अगर ये CC bond break हुआ तो ये methyl free radical और ethyl free radical बनेगा.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
हाँ, those can combine with NO2 to give you nitroethane and nitromethane. Fine.
Okay, ma'am. So this takes place only at high temperature, ma'am.
हाँ हाँ.
About fine.
Miss,
Sorry?
could you dictate this, please?
You want me to dictate this?
Yes, miss.
Okay, nitration. Since nitration is carried out at high temperatures, since nitration of alkanes is carried out at high temperatures, since nitration is carried out at high temperatures, it is not necessary that only CH bond breaks. It is not necessary that only CH bonds break. But even CC bonds can break to give you. It is not necessary that only CH bonds can break, but even CC bonds can break to give fragmented products. But even CC bonds can break to form fragmented products.
Ma'am, can you repeat the last line?
It is not necessary that only CH bonds can break, but even CC bonds can break to form the fragmented products.
Ma'am,
बोलो.
ma'am, that CH3, CH3 with nitro on the second carbon, that is not major because it's 2-degree free
Yes,
radical.
it should be little major because मतलब इन सबसे ज़्यादा वो ही बनेगा. ज़्यादा क्यों बनेगा? Because it is formed from 2-degree.
2-degree. Okay, ma'am.
अभी sulfonation का भी temperature you can see. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
here also you have to take vapors of sulfuric acid. You cannot take dilute, neither can you take concentrated. Because dilute will give you H plus and HSO4 minus, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Those are not going to attack the alkane. Even concentrated on autoprotolysis gives you SO3H plus, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
That also
ma'am.
will not attack alkanes. So vapors में क्या होगा?
Free
Free
radical.
radical formation.
Could you tell me which bond here should break homolytic?
OH.
Oxygen.
OH,
Miss,
OH bond.
OS, OS.
OS bond होगा. OH वाला नहीं, OS वाला. So I'll get an OH free radical, and I'll also get
SO3H.
in the next step, the OH free radical will take the H, forming R free radical and water. This R free radical will then combine with forming RSO3H. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
तो यहाँ पर भी fragmentation होता है because of the high temperatures involved. Did you understand this reaction?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I proceed ahead?
Wait, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, you've muted yourself.
Okay, now next you write on combustion. What do you mean by combustion?
Reaction with oxygen to give
Burning in the presence of air.
Fuels burn.
We just write down yes. Burning of a compound in presence of air. Or oxygen you write down. Burning of a compound in presence of oxygen is called as combustion reaction. Burning of a compound in presence of oxygen is called as combustion.
मैम एक्सेस होना चाहिए कि
हाँ, excess होना चाहिए.
ओके मैम.
Ma'am,
बोलो.
generally takes excess oxygen for any fuel to burn completely, correct?
Yes, yes. Complete burning of a fuel needs excess of oxygen. And you know, combustion reactions are exothermic.
Yes, ma'am.
But there is a combustion reaction which is endothermic. Which one? किसका? Which is the combustion reaction which is endothermic? नहीं पता है? Combustion of nitrogen. Nitrogen reacts with oxygen at what temperatures?
Must.
It's around 3000 Kelvin. ये temperature पे वो react करता है to give you NO. These temperatures are obtained during lightning process. You have done this or no?
No, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
अरे स्कूल में किया होगा.
स्कूल में किया था.
Which acid rain वाला है.
हाँ, acid rain
Yeah,
वाला.
ma'am.
हाँ मैम.
फिर ये NO और
ma'am.
react करता है O2 के साथ to give NO2.
HNO2.
NO2 dissolves
No,
in
ma'am.
water. Rain water to give you HNO2.
HNO2 must.
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
must. Yes, must.
Which falls down as acid rain. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the combustion reaction which is endothermic. Otherwise, all the combustion reactions are exothermic. They give out heat energy. So alkanes on combustion. Could you give me the product form?
CO2.
2 plus
CO2 plus water.
All alkanes
plus
on
three.
combustion will give you the same product, carbon dioxide and water. Let us balance this. Ethane will give you what? Again,
CO2
carbon
plus
dioxide and
H2.
water. In general, for a hydrocarbon, CXHY.
X plus Y by 4.
Very good.
By
X
4.
plus Y by 4.
X CO2.
And
You get
plus y upon 2h.
Y by 2H2.
Y by 2 H2O, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Must x plus y by 4 है ना?
हाँ, X plus Y by 4.
Okay, must.
Did you finish writing?
Done, ma'am.
बस एक और रिएक्शन होता है ना in limited oxygen.
I'll come to that part. Now, all these processes are highly.
Exothermic.
That is why alkanes are used as fuels. What is a fuel?
Releases energy on combustion.
Yes, a substance which on burning releases energy.
Ma'am, coal.
Yes, coal is also a fuel for us.
Ma'am,
bolo.
just a question out of curiosity. An average combustion reaction releases about how much heat?
I'm coming to that. I'll tell you. Okay. Now the amount of heat liberated here per mole of alkane is called as heat of combustion. So first you write down the definition of heat of combustion. The amount of heat released when 1 mole of an alkane burns in excess of oxygen, the amount of heat released when 1 mole of an alkane is burnt in excess of oxygen. For methane, you are supposed to know, for methane, the heat of combustion is found to be 880 kilojoules per mole. 880 kilojoules per mole. So ethane will give you more or less than methane.
Or
This is the heat of combustion of methane. 880 kilojoules per mole. That means if you burn 1 mole of methane, how much energy you are going to get?
880 kilojoules.
Question to you is, will ethane give you more heat or less heat than methane?
Must less.
More the number of carbon, more is the heat of combustion. Make a note of this. More the number of carbon, more is the heat of combustion. More the number of carbon, more is the heat of combustion. So ethane is going to give you more heat than methane. Got it? More the number of carbon, more will be the heat of combustion.
Ma'am, what you have written that 880 kilojoules?
That is the heat of combustion of methane.
Okay, ma'am.
And more the number of carbon, more is the heat of combustion. What if the number of carbon are same? Say for example, if I take isomers, you know what are isomers?
Yes.
What are isomers now?
same formula.
Same molecular formula, different structure.
Different
Say for
structural
example,
formula.
I take N-pentane and if I take neopentane, can I say that both have the same number of carbon, same number of hydrogen?
Yes, ma'am.
But would they have same heat of combustion? No.
No.
So write down heat of combustion amongst isomeric alkanes. Amongst isomeric alkanes, heat of combustion amongst isomeric alkanes, heat of combustion decreases with branching. Amongst isomeric alkanes, heat of combustion decreases with increase in branching. Right now, heat of combustion decreases with increase in branching. So which will have a higher heat of combustion? combustion and
पर वाला
N pentane.
N pentane.
इसका higher
N
है। हाँ
Ma'am,
हाँ बोलो।
ma'am, can you tell why is this the case?
See, I have done a similar process under hydrogenation. Am I right?
मैम because it is spherical, that's why.
Spherical wala, right?
नहीं hydrogenation में मैंने क्या दिया था? How is heat of hydrogenation related to stability?
Inversely
Inverse.
proportional.
Inversely.
More the stability, lesser is the heat of hydrogenation.
Yes.
Yes,
So if
ma'am.
they ask you about the stability of alkanes, you will again have to compare it with what? Their stability. More the stability of the alkane, more will be the, sorry, less will be the heat of combustion. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, could you again repeat the definition of heat of combustion?
Heat of combustion is the amount of heat released when 1 mole of an alkane is burnt in excess of oxygen. So if I draw the potential energy diagram or the energy profile diagram against, say, heat of combustion. नहीं, heat of combustion क्यों? Reaction progress. This is going to be your N-pentane. और ये क्या होगा?
NEO pentane.
Can I say both these are going to give me carbon dioxide and water?
Yes, ma'am.
5 moles of carbon dioxide and 6 moles of water. This is the amount of heat which is going to be given by,
Yes, ma'am.
Neo.
and this is the amount of heat which is going to be
N.
given by.
N pentane.
I've done this type of graph in hydrogenation.
Yes.
You remember?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Can I proceed ahead?
1 minute. Wait, ma'am.
Now if I take cycloalkanes, say for example I take cyclopropane. Cyclopropane on combustion will give you what? Again carbon dioxide and water.
Yes, ma'am.
It will give you 3 moles and 3 moles here. Oxygen कितना लगेगा? 3 to the 6 and 9. So 9/2. Cyclopropane on combustion gives you 3 moles of carbon dioxide and 3 moles of water. Cyclobutane will give you what?
CO2.
ऑक्सीजन कितना होगा? यहाँ पर 8 है।
6.
एक मिनट, हाँ 8 और 4 12, so 6. Cyclohexane will give you what?
6 CO2.
9 O2.
Can I say again heat of combustion with increase with the increase in the number of carbon?
Yes, ma'am.
Manan, you want the previous page?
Yes, ma'am.
बस आपने हेक्सेन बनाया पेंटेन नहीं.
हाँ हेक्सेन ही तो, और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड भी तो 6 ही लिखे थे ना मैंने. कहाँ पर? इधर?
हाँ मस.
ओ सॉरी, यहाँ पे I have to make pentane.
Yes मस.
हाँ.
Ma'am.
This is done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can I say heat of combustion will increase with increase in the number of carbon?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But if they ask you heat of combustion per carbon, then it is, the answer for the cycloalkane should be cyclopropane. Cyclopropane will give you maximum heat. Now what do I mean by this?
मैम आपने स्टेबिलिटी देखा ना?
हाँ. Okay. Heat of combustion per carbon is maximum. for cyclopropane amongst all the cycloalkanes. Now, what do I mean by this? Supposing cyclopropane, if I take, how many carbon are there?
3.
And just I'm giving you a value, say supposing यहाँ पर 60 kilojoules, delta H is minus 60 kilojoules per mole. I'm just giving ऐसे ही कोई भी number यहाँ पे 60 तो नहीं होगा, बहुत ज्यादा होगा वैसे. So can I say per carbon इसका कितना है?
20.
Okay. Cyclohexane में कार्बन कितने हैं अब?
6.
तो इसमें 3 कार्बन है तो 60 आ रहा है. इसमें 6 कार्बन है तो कितना होना चाहिए वैसे? Say 120 के आसपास?
120.
Yes,
But it doesn't give 120. It gives you, supposing say 110. Is cyclohexane giving you more heat of combustion than cyclopropane?
Yes.
Yes.
But what if I ask you to compare per carbon now?
Cyclopropane.
Propane is
Yes, per carbon this is giving you 20 kilojoules. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
And per
Yes, ma'am.
carbon this is not giving you 20. It is giving you less than 20.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So from the heat of combustion per carbon, can I say you can determine the stability?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I know that cyclopropane is the least stable cycloalkane. Do you agree? Because
Yes,
of
ma'am.
maximum angle strain.
Yes, ma'am.
So least stable means maximum heat of combustion per carbon will be given by cyclopropane. And can I also say heat of combustion per carbon is going to be minimum for cyclohexane?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
among cycloalkanes, the most stable cycloalkane is?
Cyclohexane.
Yes, because cyclohexane doesn't have any angle strain. The reason being cyclohexane exists in which form?
Chair.
Yes, chair form, the angle strain is 0. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So just write this down. Heat of combustion per carbon is maximum for cyclopropane among cycloalkanes and minimum for cyclohexane. Heat of combustion per carbon is maximum for cyclopropane among cycloalkanes and minimum for cyclohexane.
मैम साइक्लोहेक्सेन स्टेबल है इसीलिए उसका 120 से कम है ना.
हाँ.
ओके मैम.
Ma'am, can you explain why cyclopropane?
Cyclopropane less stable है क्योंकि angle strain है ना.
अच्छा, इसलिए उसका
टेट्राहेड्रल एंगल होना चाहिए ना इसमें. sp3
Yes,
हाइड्रोजन कार्बन है ना. तो
इसलिए उसका
कार्बन
heat of combustion.
टेट्राहेड्रल एंगल क्या होना चाहिए? 109 है ना, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
बट एंगल ये इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल है तो कितना होगा बॉन्ड एंगल? 60 है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
मैक्सिमम एंगल स्ट्रेन साइक्लोप्रोपेन में होता है.
Ma'am, can you repeat the statement that you just said?
Heat of combustion per carbon is maximum for cyclopropane amongst all the cycloalkanes.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
And minimum for cyclohexane.
Done, ma'am.
All of you are done with this?
Done, ma'am.
Previous page किसको चाहिए? Manan, you want it again once more?
No, ma'am.
अच्छा, तो पहले का मैसेज. Okay, now let me go a little into more details of this. Rohan, minimum is for cyclohexane. Minimum is for cyclohexane. Because most stable ring है वो cyclohexane का होता है. वैसे ही if I compare alkanes में can I say heat of combustion increases with increasing number of carbon?
Yes, ma'am.
But
Yeah,
अगर
ma'am.
per carbon लेते हैं हम तो per carbon maximum heat मिलता है मीथेन में से. That tells you that methane is the
Less stable.
हाँ. So just write it down. Per carbon maximum heat is obtained from methane amongst alkanes.
Could you please repeat the statement?
Amongst alkanes, the heat of combustion per carbon is maximum for methane. Okay, now but can I say all these hydrocarbons hydrocarbons give huge amount of heat on burning, and that is why these hydrocarbons, the alkanes, they find application as fuels. You know what is CNG?
Yes, ma'am.
CNG का full form क्या है?
Compressed natural gas.
Compressed natural
Compressed
gas.
natural gas is CH4. Methane लेते हैं उसमें. They compress methane and they use it as a fuel. What is LPG?
Liquefied
Liquefied petroleum gas.
This is a mixture of
Butane.
butane and isobutane with a little amount of propane. So it's a mixture of butane, isobutane, and some amount of propane. This is LPG. Alkanes don't have any odor.
Yes,
They
ma'am.
are
Yes,
odorless.
ma'am.
But then when there is a leakage, LPG का leakage होता है, we detect it ना odor से.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Reason is because they add this
ethyl mercaptan.
Yes, so you should know all this, no? Ethyl mercaptan is added to detect the odor. That means leakage होगा तो ethyl mercaptan will help you detect the leakage by its odor. Ethyl mercaptan ये होता है.
मैम पेट्रोल में क्या डालते हैं जिससे स्मेल आता है?
आ रही हूँ इस पे.
Miss, can you repeat the statement?
Which
Amongst alkane wala.
किसका alkane?
Amongst alkane, the height of combustion is maximum for.
Maximum for methane per carbon.
Okay, miss.
Then ma'am,
Did you finish?
Yes, ma'am.
But should we copy this?
Of course, then.
मैम इधर स्टेटमेंट क्या लिखना है?
क्या लिखोगे ऊपर? Just write down the types of fuels, no? Okay, LPG हो गया, CNG हो गया. अब पेट्रोल. पेट्रोल is isooctane. उसका स्ट्रक्चर ये है. This is petrol. 2,2,4 trimethyl pentane. 2,2,4 trimethyl pentane. इसको isooctane बोलते हैं. And this is nothing but petrol. Again, this will not have any odor. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
तो पेट्रोल में जो वो odor आता है, that is due to benzene. They add some benzene to it. And even there is MTBE. I am coming to what is MTBE. ये दोनों का mixture बना के वो तुमको वो odor आता है. I'll come to MTBE. Don't worry.
Ma'am.
Bolo. Most of the people
Ma'am.
like this odor. I think they like the odor of petrol.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. हाँ बोलो.
मैम तो इसलिए डालते
But all these are carcinogenic. What do you mean by carcinogenic?
Causes cancer.
So you are not supposed to
cancer.
inhale. Yes, don't inhale this. You are asking something, Mithali?
Ma'am, to clarify, benzene on its own, it doesn't have a smell, right?
Benzene has a very pleasant odor. पेट्रोल का मेन जो odor आता है वो benzene की वजह से ही आता है. Benzene is aromatic, my dear. Originally, how were aromatic compounds defined? Abhi to we know with that aromatic
Well.
compounds. जो पहले पहले पुराने जमाने में aromatic compounds were those which have odor, am I right?
aroma.
Yes.
Aroma. But उसके बाद the definition change किया गया for aromatic. There are many aromatic compounds which now don't have any odor, and even there are many aromatic compounds which have odor. In fact, there are many non-aromatic compounds which have a good odor. तो अभी वो aroma का जो definition है वो निकल गया है. Okay.
And ma'am, inhaling vapors of benzene is carcinogenic or benzene plus MTB is carcinogenic?
Benzene is also carcinogenic, my dear. Benzene is also highly carcinogenic.
Yes, ma'am.
In fact, for me, I have worked on benzene for I think 3-4 years, where I used to pip it out benzene. Can you imagine? You know how to pip it out? Have you ever seen?
Nope.
There's
Yes,
a
ma'am.
tube-like structure where
No.
you
Yes,
use
you
the
have
mouth
that
to suck out.
long tube-like structure which you have to suck the liquid using your mouth.
Mistake
For
of the
what?
practicals.
Yes,
में.
like straw,
Miss,
no?
for what?
Yeah, like straw, like straw.
Why, ma'am?
It's like a straw only.
Miss, for
Where you-
what?
I was doing my post-graduation. In fact, I did this in my PhD. I had to prepare benzo trichloride and all that. So for that, I needed benzene. So for that,
How was
I
the
had to.
taste?
Sorry. I have used many chemicals, many organic chemicals which are cancer causing. Most of the aromatic compounds are cancer causing. And I have worked only on those aromatic compounds only.
But you could have used burette now.
Burette doesn't give you the exact, what do you say, the volume to be, exact volume to be delivered. Okay? Pipette gives you the exact volume, and we have to be very careful when we are doing our thesis now. 0.5 ml also makes a lot of difference over there.
And ma'am, generally working with such aromatic compounds, a researcher must actually use a mask for that, correct?
Yeah, but when you're pipetting it out, you cannot wear a mask.
But then ma'am, how could you have prevented it from causing any harm, benzene?
See, during my time, they used to not use rubber bulbs. Nowadays, they use rubber bulbs. So this is a pipette, supposing ये उसका bulb होता है ऐसे, और ये ऐसे pipette होता है. Okay, you have to suck. This has to be dipped in the liquid, this part, and from here you suck. तो क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पर एक रबर बल्ब डालते हैं. तो वो रबर बल्ब जो है, अगर उसको प्रेस करते हैं तो क्या होता है?
वैक्यूम क्रिएट होता है,
Absorb
तो
होता है
suck होता है.
And when it is
Absorb.
released, the liquid starts rising. Nowadays they use rubber bulb. हमारे टाइम पे नहीं था. So we used to just pip it out using our mouth.
गलती से मुंह में चला गया तो क्या?
कितनी बार, एक बार नहीं, कितनी बार मैंने
कैसा
benzene
टेस्ट
किया.
था?
हाँ?
How does it taste?
टेस्ट कैसा
Benzene
था?
doesn't have any taste. मतलब जो पानी का टेस्ट है वैसे ही benzene का है. बाकी बस उसका odor जो होता है ना, odor is you can't, मतलब you can't drink it. So you have to throw it out. But I have done it so many times, and so many times it came in my mouth.
Is the petrol ka odor is due to a mixture of benzene and MTBE, right?
Benzene only. हाँ, MTBE, yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Even
Miss
some amount of toluene, I think. हाँ, बोलो.
बस पेट्रोल में ऑर्डर डाल के क्या करेंगे?
अरे लीकेज पेट्रोल का.
But you can see petrol, right?
तो भी पेट्रोल
पेट्रोल
वेपराइज.
भाप बन जाता है.
पेट्रोल खाली तुम्हारी जमीन पे गिर जाए, देखो क्या हो जाएगा. क्या होगा उसके बाद?
I don't know.
Ah,
You'll be able to
vaporized.
see that petrol. It will
Volatile.
immediately
No, ma'am.
vaporize, na? You will not be able to detect.
Right.
तो odor के वजह से ही only you'll be able to detect again. Diesel is hexadecane. Hexadecane मतलब क्या? Hexadecane कितने कार्बन होंगे?
16.
So all 16 carbon atoms in a straight chain. This is diesel. Then kerosene. Kerosene is a mixture from C15 to C17 alkanes. मतलब पेंटाडेकेन से हेप्टाडेकेन तक का मिक्सचर है ये of all these 3 alkanes. Then you know wax. Wax is used for making
Candles.
that is
Tattoos.
yes, that is I think C25 to C30.
जैसा पूछेंगे
Yes, my dear. That is what I'm doing, no?
yes miss.
Miss, can you once tell the full form of MTBE?
I'm coming to MTB. MTBE का detail करना है मुझे अभी.
Okay, Miss.
Or did you finish writing all this?
Yes ma'am.
Ma'am, just 1 minute.
Okay.
On last part.
Miss, which fuel is used in aircrafts?
I'm coming to that part also. Finished or no?
And ma'am,
Mandar, how come you will be prone to it? Have you taken any? तुमने कुछ पेट्रोल पिया है क्या?
No, ma'am. You were saying by smelling it, no?
हाँ, but then you hardly smell. रोज थोड़ी जाते हो पेट्रोल भरवाने.
Yeah, ma'am.
So the people who work there,
they are definitely
wear
more.
masks.
अभी मास्क पहन रहे हैं ना, पहले कौन सा मास्क पहनते थे?
so they're prone.
Of course.
Okay, ma'am.
अरे but who bothers? People work in this ना. अभी BARC वगैरह में जो काम करते हैं, TIFR, BARC and all that, या एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर्स पे जो काम करते हैं, तो उनको सबको कैंसर है. You know it or you don't know it?
Miss,
but
they-
No,
बहुत
ma'am.
कम रेडिएशन है ना उधर.
किसने कहा?
हम देख वो शील्ड सब होता है ना.
हाँ मिस, they wear those lead lined aprons ना.
Yes ma'am.
पूरा दिन they don't wear those lead jackets. Okay.
हम सबको कैंसर है.
100% mostly सबको होगा.
Miss,
cancer.
why they take so much risk?
It is the क्या बोलते हैं? Love for a particular field.
ऐसा.
इतना
Organic
Curie
में
अगर-
इतना love.
मैडम क्यूरी अगर अपना काम नहीं करती तो क्या होता?
कौन है वो?
नहीं
Never
होता.
know
जिंदा
radioactive
होते
हैं।
elements so well.
Do you know the grave of Madame Curie till today gives out alpha beta gamma radiations?
But
Yes
ma'am,
ma'am.
मैरी क्यूरी तो like literally radium अपने pocket में रख के
Yeah.
घूमती थी.
So
But
that
why
was her
she has
love.
to do
That was her
that?
love for that particular field. अभी मुझे भी पहले मालूम था कि बेंजीन से होता है. कितनी बार मैंने पी लिया बेंजीन. अभी जिसको जो होना है वो तो होगा ही. Are we going to live always?
But precautions.
What precautions? What tells you that कि मैं बेंजीन नहीं पीऊंगी तो मुझे कैंसर नहीं होगा और किसी और चीज से कैंसर नहीं होगा? It's not like that.
Ma'am, but less chances.
नहीं, I don't feel it is like that. Then why people smoke? You have to give me the answer.
ना मुझसे थोड़ी ना होता है इतना.
What?
Oh,
You don't get cancer when you have when you smoke.
Ma'am, we get
सबको नहीं होता.
we get cancer.
उससे कुछ लोग को मजा आता है स्लो करके. उनको पता
Arey,
नहीं
when you
क्या होता है.
smoke, you get lung cancer. You get when people chew tobacco and all that. What they get? Mouth
Mouth
cancer.
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 But people do. That is a craze.
Love for
them.
that. Love for that.
People do drugs also. Am I right?
Yes ma'am.
मैम ड्रग से कौन सा कैंसर होता है?
Drugs से cancer नहीं होता है. Basically, drugs, the narcotics are
मर ही जाते हैं ना.
they are central nervous system stimulants. They stimulate the central
Must
nervous system.
hallucinate you.
Yes, they hallucinate you. They are actually doing the opposite thing of CNS depressants. Depressants do what? They calm down the central nervous system. But narcotics are going to do just the opposite. They stimulate the central nervous system. So people get hallucinated, they get high, and they forget all their worries and all. It seems that is what they say. I don't know. And they enter into some different world where they see different creatures and all that. That is what I've heard from those people, and even the movies show this. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
A lot.
Ma'am, in PhD, we don't have to smell drugs and all, na?
Of course, drugs बनाते तो वही है ना, PhD वाले जो कर रहे हैं वही तो बनाते हैं drugs. करना ही पड़ता है ना. ये drugs वगैरह तो raw materials तो it's all naturally grown.
Ma'am, what are
Then some
the
chemical reactions are
Then
done
why
on
they
that.
make it if
Okay.
they hallucinate you?
Why they make it? Do you
Yes.
know morphine is one of the very important narcotics?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
if-
ma'am.
And morphine is also used in cancer treatment. Treatment, nahi, of course. But can I say when a cancer patient is in the last stage, it is unbearable for
chemo,
them
it is
to
used.
bear the pain. They will suicide if morphine is not given to them. So though we know that morphine is very dangerous, yet it has to be given to cancer patients. क्योंकि अगर cancer patients को वो नहीं दिया तो they will not be able to bear the pain. So it is all this, like all this you have in your syllabus. I'm going to come to that part. Don't worry.
Ma'am, which chapter?
I think next chapter only, halogen derivative. I'll be doing that.
Sure.
Okay.
Miss.
Yes, Udta Punjab, you all have seen. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Even Jabaz also was a movie on that.
Sanju.
Yeah, Sanju also was on that.
Sure.
Anyway, I'll be teaching you all the narcotics and I'll be doing that in the next chapter. You have the structures of morphine, cocaine, heroin and all that in your syllabus. Okay.
So
Organic mein hai.
morphine is given to cancer patient in the last stage because it has hallucination effects, right?
Yes, they will, मतलब जो pain है reduce हो जाता है.
Okay, ma'am.
Miss, can you make
See,
morphine
they
structure?
actually stimulants do what? Basically, the stimulants increase the blood supply. The blood moves like क्या बोलते हैं? Stimulate होता है ना हमारा body. तो पूरा central nervous system stimulate होने की वजह से जो blood supply है वो different organs में increase हो जाता है. And blood supply अगर increase होगा तो pain कम हो जाता है. What does a crocin tablet do? You take a
Pain
crocin
reliever.
tablet for pain. Am I right?
Painkiller.
It
So,
reduces
Painkiller.
it
Yes,
is a
ma'am.
painkiller. But what does it actually do? It is also going to increase the blood supply to that particular part of the body where you have pain. Once the blood supply increases over there,
Again, pain starts.
no, pain will be reduced. Okay. ठीक है, now can I proceed with this part? नहीं तो ये part
Yes,
भी
ma'am.
रहेगा.
Yes, ma'am.
वो सब part हम करेंगे next
Yes,
chapter.
ma'am.
Next
Okay, ma'am.
chapter is very interesting. You all will like it. You all will start loving organic chemistry after that.
It will be very worthwhile.
It will be very.
Worthwhile.
Usually every year students, when I take up that chapter, no, they actually start loving organic. क्योंकि वहां पर actually applications जो आते हैं ना organic के सब chemicals के, so we start doing that. So they say, अच्छा ये इधर use होता है, ये ऐसे use होता है. So they become very inquisitive and eager to know so many things. So that develops the interest in the students. Okay. अभी तक जो हम कर रहे हैं उसका application मैंने कुछ दिया नहीं था. I've just started with the applications now. Am I right? See, I've
Yes,
given you
ma'am.
the application here. CNG, LPG, petrol, diesel, kerosene, wax. Okay. Now getting more into this part. You know, petrol is isooctane. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
The quality of petrol is determined by the octane rating. ये सब जो मैं कर रही हूँ वो सिलेबस में है, सोचना मत कि मैं ऐसे ही कर रही हूँ. The quality of petrol is determined by octane rating. If the octane rating is given as 100, then it is pure 100% isooctane. 100% isooctane with no additives. This is the best quality petrol known as white petrol. Have you heard about white petrol?
No.
No, ma'am.
No.
White petrol is used by aircrafts. Okay. It is
Jet
used by,
ma'am, jet fuel.
yes, yes.
Yes,
White petrol is basically used by aircrafts, and previously it was also be used. It was used by rockets and all that, spacecrafts and all that. But nowadays the rockets and spacecrafts, they don't use petrol.
Hydrogen, no?
They use hydrogen and oxygen fuel cell. Yes. Okay. Because
मैम
hydrogen
पेट्रोल और
और
हेवी पेट्रोल में क्या फर्क है?
petrol or
हेवी पेट्रोल
heavy petrol should I think be,
शिप्स में जो यूज होता है मैम.
उसमें I think वो additives जो ऐड करते हैं ना, वो अभी additives का मैं आ रही हूँ. I'll tell you that. Okay.
ओके मैम.
तो ये
Ma'am.
white petrol aircrafts में ज्यादातर यूज होता है. और what I was saying, हाँ, in spacecraft they use hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. इसका बाई प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा जब ये बर्न होगा?
Peroxide.
Hydrogen.
Peroxide.
Hydrogen peroxide.
नहीं, you get water.
Water.
Okay, you get water. So इसका बाई प्रोडक्ट क्या बन रहा है? बाई प्रोडक्ट नहीं, सॉरी, मेन प्रोडक्ट क्या बन रहा है?
वाटर वेपर.
Water.
They use this water to drink also. Okay.
मैम
So
पर वो
they
तो
use-
बाहर रिजेक्ट होगा ना?
क्या होगा?
बाहर रिजेक्ट हो जाएगा ना?
मैम वो वापस रिसाइकल होके वापस यूज होता है ना?
हाँ, रिसाइकल होता है ना ये पूरा.
हाँ.
मैम पर प्रोपल्सर तो बाहर होते हैं
So
तो बाहर ही होगा.
would they prefer using petrol? Would they prefer using petrol and creating pollution in the space also?
No,
What is
ma'am.
the what is the
No, not
product
possible.
obtained on burning of hydrocarbons? Alkanes के burning पे क्या मिलता है product?
CO2.
Carbon dioxide.
CO2,
And you
carbon
know carbon
dioxide.
dioxide is responsible for global warming.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
CFCs.
ma'am.
CFCs.
Green, yes, green. नहीं, CFC is chlorofluorocarbons.
Greenhouse gases.
The
Greenhouse.
greenhouse gas is carbon dioxide. CFCs, they cause ozone layer depletion.
Yes, ma'am.
Chlorofluorocarbons are responsible for ozone layer depletion, not for global warming. Global warming direct जो substance responsible है वो CO2 है. Even with some amount of methane. Methane is also.
Ma'am, water
methane is
vapors also,
greenhouse
right?
gas. Sorry.
Water vapors.
Water vapor क्या? Water vapor is needed by us. The water vapor is not going to cause any pollution. It's only CO2 which causes the pollution, which is given out from alkanes during their combustion process.
So that's why they stopped using petrol.
No, we are using petrol.
Oh, in the spacecrafts.
हाँ,
White
spacecraft they
petrol.
stopped using petrol because petrol का जो byproduct है, that is carbon dioxide, which is going to definitely pollute even the space. And hydrogen on combustion is going to give you what?
पानी.
मैम पर
पानी तो pollution cause नहीं करता है ना? हाँ बोलो.
मैम पर हाइड्रोजन को तो -240 पे कूल करना पड़ता है ना, तब लिक्विड बनता है, तो वो कैसे मेंटेन करते हैं?
As you go higher and higher, what happens to the temperature?
Temperature decreases.
Temperature
Decreases drastically.
जब तुम खुद एयरक्राफ्ट में बैठे रहते हो तो बाहर का टेम्परेचर क्या होता है?
Decrease.
ठंडा ठंडा.
माइनस में होता है. Do you know
Negative.
that?
Negative. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. -50 के भी नीचे होता है बाहर का टेम्परेचर. एयरक्राफ्ट में जब भी बैठते हो, द आउटसाइड टेम्परेचर, वो तो इनसाइड टेम्परेचर दे मेंटेन इट at room temperature. In fact, lesser than room temperature. But outside temperature is less than even -50 degrees Celsius. So as
मैम
you
पर
go
लॉन्च
higher,
के टाइम
कभी
लॉन्च के टाइम
launch के time, I think for some part they must be using the
क्रायोजेनिक कंटेनर.
yes,
Solid fuel.
solid fuel. उसके बाद I think देखो रॉकेट ऊपर जाता है तो धीरे धीरे उसका एक एक पार्ट वो लोग they throw it down. You know that?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Rockets have ignition stages.
Yeah. So all that like उसके बाद it becomes lighter and as it moves higher and higher they start using this hydrogen oxygen fuel over there. So petrol I was talking about. White petrol is pure form of petrol which is having 100% octane rating. This is used by aircrafts. But can I say what engines we use in our cars? those engines are not as efficient as the engines used by aircrafts.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So the engines we use in our cars or our vehicles which we are using in our day-to-day lives, those engines being non-efficient, what they do is they cause incomplete combustion of petrol. Incomplete combustion of petrol gives you carbon monoxide.
Monoxide.
And along with that, you
Dangerous.
also get carbon black, a residue of carbon black. Now, this residue of carbon black can actually block the inlet pipes of the engine. And they cause what is called as knocking. Have you heard about knocking?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Knocking
Yes.
नहीं सुना है?
कार चालू नहीं होती मैम.
हाँ. देखो, I'll just explain this. Say this is the engine of your car.
मैम इसमें से क्या क्या लिखना है?
I'll tell you what to write. Don't worry. अब इस इंजन में दो इनलेट्स आते हैं. One inlet is for your petrol, and the other inlet is for air. और इसका एक आउटलेट होता है. That outlet is for the exhaust gases. यहाँ पर आउटलेट होता है. The outlet is for the exhaust gases. Now petrol has to come in and air has to come in simultaneously. Am I right? Then only the combustion process will take place in the engine. When you start your key, जब key press करते हो ना, जब गाड़ी का key घुमाते हो जब, या तो you just start on the car by pressing the button.
Yes, ma'am.
आजकल तो you have button system.
Automatic.
Yes, automatic cars. तो button जब press करते हो, what happens is these inlets open up. These are allowed to enter inside, petrol as well as air. जब second time वापस से button दबाते हो, देखो 2 बार बटन दबाना पड़ता है. एक
हाँ
clutch-
मैम, हाँ.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
तो जब second time जब clutch use करके बटन दबाते हो, I think most of you must be knowing this.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो
Yes,
जब
ma'am.
clutch press करके जब बटन दबाते हैं, तब a spark is produced inside the engine. That spark will initiate the combustion process. The hydrocarbon in the engine will start burning in presence of the air to give you carbon dioxide and water. And that carbon dioxide and water escapes out through the what you say, exhaust pipes, and all the energy liberated here is used for moving that piston. Pistons are there. वो pistons जब move होते हैं, your car runs. ये पता है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now if your engine is not that efficient, so it doesn't actually what you say, complete combustion हो नहीं पाता है hydrocarbon का. So incomplete combustion could result in what? The formation of carbon monoxide,
See
which
black
of course will
residue.
escape out through the exhaust gas. Carbon monoxide is much more harmful than carbon dioxide. You know, carbon monoxide has
Miss poisoning.
10,000 times more affinity to combine with hemoglobin of blood as compared to oxygen.
Carboaminohemoglobin.
Yes,
Carbamino.
that is carboxyaminohemoglobin. That is what is formed when carbon monoxide combines with hemoglobin, and that will completely cut off the oxygen supply in your body, and a person dies without knowing also that he has inhaled carbon monoxide. Because carbon monoxide again doesn't have any odor. Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
in order to prevent the incomplete combustion, even this carbon black residue which is obtained, that can block these pipes, the inlet and the outlet. And if these pipes are blocked, then a terrible sound is produced by the car, which is called as knocking. देखो कभी-कभी आप गाड़ी में चाबी चला लगाते हो और खट 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 आवाज आता है और गाड़ी बंद हो जाती है.
Yes, हाँ
yes,
मैम,
ma'am.
हाँ.
हाँ, that is knocking. So that is due to the incomplete combustion of your hydrocarbon. Got it? That sound produced by the car, that indicates incomplete combustion of your fuel. Sorry? You said something?
मैम
हाँ.
मैम तो कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड ब्रीथ करने पर कोई सिम्टम्स आते हैं क्या, जैसे कि
नहीं 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 नहीं, खाली स्टार्टिंग में तो एक 2 मिनट के लिए ब्रेथलेसनेस होगा थोड़ा, and then you'll fall unconscious. Within 2 minutes you fall unconscious and you end up in coma. So it's not for you can actually kill a person using ये exhaust pipe जो पीछे की तरफ जाता है ना, उसका अगर आप इनले मतलब उसको घुमाकर वो पाइप को गाड़ी के अंदर अगर डाल देते हो and you just close the windows, the person will die, okay, without even knowing why what is happening.
It is
So-
released in gas geysers and a cylinder also, right?
It is released in
Gas geysers, carbon
gas
monoxide.
geysers.
Yeah,
No, it should
like
be carbon
in
dioxide only there. Carbon
Nine
monoxide is
hundred.
highly
So-
poisonous.
तो सिवलाक रेसिड्यू वही सूत है क्या?
क्या होता है?
सूत
Me, I'm not getting it.
SOOOTS.
Suit, ma'am, suit.
Soot, okay, soot. हाँ, सूट होता है ना
वही
ये.
है.
कार्बन ब्लैक रेसिड्यू इज सूट ओनली.
Okay.
देखो गाड़ी में से सूट आता है, खट खट खट
Yes,
खट
ma'am.
आवाज जब आता है तो पीछे से एक ब्लैक कलर का कुछ
Black
निकलता
smoke
है.
comes out, yes,
exhaust
ma'am.
pipe. हाँ, that is all your
हम
carbon
टाइप
black
पे
residue.
ब्लैक भी लगा रहता है.
Yes, yes, that is all your carbon black residue.
ओके मैम.
Okay, that is soot. Yes. Now, what I was explaining. Knocking process, have you understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
So knocking occurs due to incomplete combustion of fuel, which releases carbon monoxide and carbon black residue. This will definitely spoil your engine, the carbon black residue. सारे
Yes,
pipes
ma'am.
block हो जाएंगे, and then you will not be able to run your car. So what is done is to this petrol, they add an anti-knocking agent. Anti-knocking agent is that substance which prevents knocking. It prevents knocking. The anti-knocking agent used earlier was tetraethyl lead. This was used earlier. It is called as tetraethyl lead. But again, what they found was that lead was being given out through this exhaust gas after that. As lead was being given out, some isotopes of lead are cancer causing again. And lead also causes lung problems, bronchitis. Suna hai bronchitis?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Lead is responsible for bronchitis as well as some forms of cancer. So they had to discontinue with this anti-knocking agent, that is tetraethyl lead, and after that they started using MTBE. Now what is MTBE? MTBE is the anti-knocking agent used nowadays. It is methyl tertiary butyl ether. This prevents knocking. In other words, it prevents the incomplete combustion of your fuel. I'm giving you the structure of this methyl tertiary butyl ether. Okay, this is the anti-knocking agent used nowadays in petrol. So petrol nowadays usually 70 to 80% octane rating वाला आता है. 70 to 80% means उसमें सिर्फ 70 या 80% आइसो octane होगा, और बाकी क्या होगा? बाकी
MTB.
बेंजीन और ये MTBE होता है उसमें. तो ये बेंजीन और MTBE की वजह से MTBE prevents the knocking properties, and benzene with this gives you the typical odor which you get in petrol. Got it?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
does it prevent knocking?
फ्री रेडिकल्स को ये कंबाइन करता है, जो एक्स्ट्रा फ्री रेडिकल्स बनते हैं उसके साथ कंबाइन होके उसको ऑक्सीडाइज करता है फर्दर.
Okay, ma'am.
तो ये फ्री रेडिकल मैकेनिज्म से जाता है. That all is not there for you. You should just know what are the anti-knocking agents. Previously, earlier it was tetraethyl lead, and nowadays they use MTBE as an anti-knocking agent. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this was talking about petrol. Now I'm going to diesel. Can I proceed?
Ma'am, what all we do right here?
Writing part, I'll have to give it to you. So next class, I'll give it to you. Just let me explain this time.
Yes, miss.
Thank you, ma'am.
ताकि explanation part at least I cover. What is diesel now?
Hexadecane.
Yes, diesel is hexadecane. This also on combustion gives you carbon dioxide and water, which will release more heat per mole. Petrol or diesel?
Diesel.
Definitely
Diesel.
diesel, because can I say it has almost double, it has double the number of carbon as compared to
Yes,
petrol.
ma'am.
Okay, so that is why, diesel, since it releases heat of combustion is more for diesel, the amount of energy released per mole of this is going to be much higher, and that is why this is used for running heavy vehicles like trucks वगैरह में ये ज़्यादा use होता है diesel. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
But
Yes,
can
ma'am.
I also say that diesel creates more pollution than petrol?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Because
Very
1
much.
mole of diesel is going to give you 16 moles of carbon dioxide,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
and 1 mole of petrol is going to give you.
8.
8.
So nowadays, vehicles like BST buses and or your Ola वगैरह जो use करते हैं ना, they use CNG. They run
Long
on CNG.
running.
BST buses तो compulsory है, they have to use CNG. And what is CNG?
Yes.
Compressed
Methane.
natural
Yes,
gas.
so-
Nitrogen gas.
Methane,
Even your
methane.
rickshaws also run on CNG now.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
CNG is actually methane. Can I say minimum pollution will be created per mole of methane?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There
Yes,
is
ma'am.
only 1 mole of carbon dioxide per mole of the alkene. And also heat of combustion per carbon is maximum for
Methane.
which alkane? Methane, yes. So per mole, but you know these use big इसका तुमने देखा है कभी CNG जहाँ यूज करते हैं?
Yes,
बड़े
ma'am.
बड़े एकदम ओला कार में देखो पीछे होता है.
हाँ,
हाँ,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
tank
बड़ा
का
सा
cylinder
tank
जैसा
होता
होता
है.
है.
Cylinder
उसमें fuel
tank.
tank होता है. हाँ. Because you need more amount of methane, no, over there. That is
Yes,
why.
ma'am.
So now hexadecane, that is diesel also. For burning of diesel, again there can be incomplete combustion of diesel also. So diesel, this is hexadecane is the IUPAC name. Iska common name is cetane. So like you have octane rating for petrol, you have cetane rating for diesel. Cetane rating of 100 tells you that it is 100% hexadecane. But again, 100% hexadecane, if you take in your vehicles like trucks and all, the engines are not that efficient. So they have to add some additives here. The additives used in diesel are BTX. BTX is a mixture of benzene, toluene, and xylene. बेंजीन का स्ट्रक्चर तो पता है, टॉलुइन का भी पता है.
Yes, ma'am.
और xylene क्या होता है? Xylene is dimethyl benzene.
By 2-methyl.
Yes. Okay, here you can have all three ortho, meta, para xylenes. That is why I've written methyl like this. This methyl can be here, here, or here. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So BTX is added to your diesel as an anti-knocking agent. They also add some amount of alpha methyl naphthalene. So these are the additives used in diesel. ये उसका structure है, alpha methyl naphthalene. I know all this was tedious today. Am I right? इतना
Yes.
कुछ समझना. But then you are actually doing the practical
It's
application.
interesting.
हाँ, but practical application है ये. Fine?
Why is it added?
Yes, ma'am.
To prevent knocking, ना?
ये भी anti knocking है.
हाँ, anti-knocking.
Okay, ma'am.
You cannot use 100% hexadecane. Some additive like these BTX and alpha methyl naphthalene have to be there. और डीजल का पोल्यूशन ज्यादा होता है इससे, पेट्रोल से. Can we use the engines of aircrafts in our cars?
Yes.
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 Obviously. But
Nice.
cars
कितने की कार हो
can't use
जाएगी
in
वो
aircraft.
सोचो. कितने की कार हो जाएगी वो सोचो.
Yes, ma'am.
59 crores.
हाँ. Who is going to buy the car? Then you tell me now.
Mukesh Ambani.
Ambani.
Except the Ambanis and the Adanis, no one will be able to
Bye.
manage a car. Yes. Okay. So we cannot use those engines in our day-to-day vehicles. So I'm done with the combustion reaction. इसका जो notes है, I'll leave in the next class. I'm also very tired.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Mas. Bye, Mas.
हाँ. Harshita, the anti-knocking agent for petrol I told you is MTBE and MTBE. And for this it is BTX and alpha methyl naphthalene.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Chalo, bye all of
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, miss. Thank you, miss.
Thank you, miss. Bye.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Rohan, what you want to know? How does the engine start? Engine तब चालू होता है जब तुम की एक बार प्रेस करते हो तो वो इनलेट से सारे अंदर जाते हैं, लिक्विड, पेट्रोल और एयर, और जब दोबारा स्टार्ट करते हो that time the spark is produced. So that spark will cause that ignition. Fine. Okay. Chalo now. Bye all of you. I'm ending the session.